Hi everyone, my name is Nuria and this is my sewing journey. And for today's video, my best friend asked me to make her a wedding dress. What? She's having a bit of a small casual family wedding and she wants me to make something that she's going to wear after the wedding, so it's not going to be just one day thing. And her main idea was to make it a two-set so that she can separate the top and the bottom and she can wear it whenever she wants. This is all a huge challenge because, as you know, I live in the Netherlands and I'm from Barcelona, so I cannot try the dress on her and yeah. Oh my god. So back in November when I went back home for my cousin's wedding, I went with her and the bridesmaids to try on dresses and see what looks good on her, what she feels comfortable in. We all fell in love with the top and trousers combo. It looked so good on her. I have to say I'm extremely scared of making pants. I don't know if you've seen on my YouTube channel that I've been making pants for the whole year to prepare for this specific moment. So the amount of effort I've been putting for this is huge, let me tell you, because making pants is no joke. Anyway, after that we went to a fabric store. My favorite fabric store in Barcelona is Ribes y Casals, and we didn't go to that one because the mother of the bride knew of another place and I was curious, so we went and we found our beautiful fabrics. They're not white, they're off-white, but they are absolutely gorgeous. It's a thick crepe, and then for the lining we went for something a little bit more sturdy and that it doesn't make you sweat a lot, because I think that for the Atelier's version they use silk or something like that, but my mom told me that silk makes you sweaty. I don't know if it's true, haven't had the pleasure of wearing silk myself. Since then I've been to Spain twice and I've made two prototypes. The first prototype I just did the normal top and the normal trousers and tried it on Claudia. We have the prototype for the top. The changes I had to do was adding more darts at the back, and then for the top I realized that the pattern I have here on my YouTube channel is not completely right, so I'll have to redo it because it says that the bust level is 3 centimeters above the armhole, and I realized that's the standard measurement, which I always say no to in this channel. And then we move into the second prototype. The second prototype was a little bit more. I added the flare and I changed the whole top. I'm done with the pants. This flare here, they look nice. If they were for me, I would do some tweaks, but let's see how they look on Claudia. And I made a mistake because I don't know where I went wrong, but the top was too small. I remember trying it on myself and thinking, oh my god, that's a tiny waist. And then no, I was missing like 4 centimeters at least. And this brings me to today, where we have to make all the changes and we have to pattern again and cut onto the fabric. So I'm really scared. I've been putting this off for the longest time because I'm seriously really scared. Like, I act cool, like I know everything, but I just want this to be the perfect dress. Good news though is that Claudia's parents bought her another dress, because with all this stress of me not being there and having to try it on, and the wedding is in 2 weeks and she hasn't tried the dress on, so she was also a little bit anxious about trying it on and knowing if it actually suits her, which is understandable. And also, I'm the worst friend ever. Like, never tell me a secret, because I don't realize it's a secret, you know, and no one is supposed to know that it's a trousers and top set. And I kept telling people, not on purpose, it just, I was talking about it and then I was saying, yeah, no, the trousers, blah blah. Don't tell me secrets, seriously. Here we have the pattern, so let's modify all these parts that were wrong and let's cut into the fabric. Oh, by the way, the fact that she has another dress means that my dress is going to be the second dress, so for the party. I'm adding 0.5 centimeter seam allowance because I'm sure I'm going to need a little bit of room. Let's cut into the fabric. After a million hours of cutting all the pieces, I can finally start overlocking. I'm done preparing all the pieces for the lining and for the main fabric. So it's time to sew, and I'm a little bit scared, to be honest. Crepe sews really well, but I don't know why. I think it has a bit of elasticity or something. I've been at this since 10 this morning and now it's 8. And I only have the pieces of the pants and I haven't even started the top. I want to finish it today, but I'm doing it so precisely and so slowly because I don't want to mess up. So let me put this together and add the zipper. The outer layer of the pants is done. They look so nice. Seriously, absolutely love them. So now I'm going to let them hang in here. I don't fully exactly know what I'm going to say right now, so take it with a pinch of salt. But you leave your fabric hang, and then the weight of the fabric is going to distortion the pants. So then when I try it on my friend, I'm going to be able to level all the parts. If you make a circle and you let it fall, it's going to go like this. Next thing to do, we're working on the top. I'm done with the pattern for the top, so let's cut it and let's finish it because I want to finish it today. I made the straps, but they look a little bit wobbly. I wanted them to look flatter, and I don't know if I could fix it with some interfacing, so I'm going to try one and see which one I choose. Okay, can you tell the difference? Do you know which one has the interfacing and which one not? This right one has the interfacing. I think it is going to be better if it's interfaced. I have the top ready. The only thing is that I think it's going to need some adjustments because I changed this line by a lot and also this line, so I want to try it on her, and I'm not going to finish up the edges yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab basting thread and a hand needle, and I'm gonna do it by hand. The top is kind of done. You can see here I have not attached the straps at the back yet because I want to put them exactly to her size. It looks really pretty if I say so myself. So I'm going to finish all these things, and then I have to finish attaching the lining of the pants. I have the lining and the main fabric, so let's attach them together. I'm also going to do it with basting stitches because I will probably have to adjust everything once it's done. Well, look at this. Claudia's waist is way smaller than mine, so doesn't close, but I'm really proud with how it looks like. The only thing I'm a little bit scared is about the top, because also the buttons, I forgot to account for that. It's actually, I'm so proud of this. I'm so proud of it. I'm gonna pray every night until Sunday or Monday that it fits her. I've been sewing for 3 days straight and I've done everything so carefully. I'm very nervous. So that's everything. I'm going to see you when I'm in Barcelona. Hello, I'm back in my hometown. And I tried the dress on Claudia and it looked so pretty on her. So pretty. It fit her like a glove. So I'm just gonna have to finish it. I don't have to take in anything from anywhere. So let's get into it and let's finish it. This here is my old sewing machine and I gave it to Claudia. So I only have it for the next 1-2 days. So we have to finish everything in the next 1-2 days. And also my other dress, which you'll see in another video. The waistline of the trousers is done. The remaining things have to be done by hand. So one piece done. I'm not a master yet. And this finishes, but we do what we can. I'm done with the machine related things. So here's the top, and what I have to do now is just hand stitches to close the sides and the eyelets Oh no, I still have to do the strap. Oh, that's the last thing I want to do. I think this set is one of the most gorgeous things I've ever done in my life. Like, look at this. Every eyelet took me 20 minutes and I did them by hand. So now I need to finish hemming this. Hello, I'm back in the Netherlands. Everything went really good. I wanted to come here to let you know that we had so much fun at the wedding that I didn't film Claudia wearing her dress. I only have some really bad quality videos because I brought my camera but I forgot to charge it. I also wanted to say that a lot of people told me, oh wow, you're so fast doing your projects and all these things. But this was a 6-month process since Claudia asked me to make her dress. It's been a stressful time trying to figure out how to make pens, how to draft every foundation, how to modify every foundation, how to do absolutely everything. I guess when you go to university to start fashion, it's easier, but when you do it at home with some books, it's stressful. I have to say I was really happy with the design. I'm really proud of the work I did. I know that she loved it a lot. At least that's what she told me, so I hope it's true. I was really honored when she asked me to make her dress. So this has been a wonderful experience. I'm really happy because she's the one that always pushes me to be better, and this is one of the moments. So very happy with the friends I have, very happy having all of you here following my journey. I just feel really overwhelmed with feelings, so I'm going to say goodbye. And if you want to see pictures, I hope I can take pictures of her when I go back to Spain, and I'll post them on my Instagram. If you want to follow me, my handle is _Noriamo. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.